Today I'm going to show you how to make Rajasthani butternut squash and potatoes. I learned how to make this dish while I was visiting Rajasthan in northern India. And the person who made it for us explained how, on purpose, they were not using onions or garlic or ginger to create a more soothing and comforting dish. So it has very subtle flavors, but it's still really flavorful. This dish requires a lot of spices, but once you gather everything together, it comes together really, really quickly. I hope you love this as much as we do.